In this video, I will show you how to use Google Translator on WhatsApp. Make sure to watch the video to the end, you don't make any mistake. First of all, open up your WhatsApp. After you open up your WhatsApp, go and open the conversation that you want to use Google Translator on it. Tap on this message. So under this message, by default now, every Android device has Google Translator on it. So all you have to do, just tap on this three dot. After you tap on this three dot, tap on this translate. Under this translate, as you can see now, it gives you two languages. The first one is English, the second one is French. So all you have to do now, if you type in something in this section, type here to translate this below, this second one. So it will translate it for you in this section. All I have to do now, type in my message in this section, in this one. Let's say good morning. So as you can see now, as I type good morning now, it translates the good morning in French for me. It says bonjour. So tap on this send. So as you can see now, I sent my good morning like in French. So if you want to translate like to some language, other language, all you have to do, just tap on this French. Now select in the language that you want to just convert your message to. Let's say I want to convert my message to like German. So after selecting German, now if I type in English, it will translate it for me in German. Let's type good morning in English. So as you can see, good morning in English, when it translated, it says Gutet Morgen. So that's it on how to translate the message. So tap on this send. So now if you want to send the message in other language and you want to translate it to English, all you have to do, just tap on this first one. So now let's say I want to type in the message in like let's say I want to type in the message in like Arabic. So if I type the message on the Arabic, so I'll translate the message in like other messages. So that's it guys on how to do it. So just select in the message and select your preferred language. So that's it guys on how to do it. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.